Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a hot lock widget in Widgetable. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Widgetable application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Widgetable if you already hadn't, or you can go and join as a guest. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. We have three tabs, as you can see. We have the Explore tab, which you can go and explore everything. We have the Wallpaper tab, where you can go and change your wallpapers. And the bottom right tab is, as you can see, the More tab, where you can see a lot of different things about your profile. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a hot lock widget in Widgetable. So the thing that you need to do, as you can see, the first thing that we have in the featured is the hot lock widget. So here we have the hot lock widget. You can go and click like this, as you can see, and here you can go and check out how you can add it. So you can see all pets, egg 1 will hatch in 24 hours. We have Tommy, we have everything here, as you can see, in one particular place. Now, just a second. Now what you need to do is go, of course, and put, if you want to weather forecast, of course, click save, and you will have a hot lock widget added to your Widgetable. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.